Ladies and gentlemen, it's a good day. We got coffee in our hands and a fresh wallet by Ekster. We have the Ekster aluminum black color wallet right here. We're gonna get out in just a second. And we have the Ekster wallet tracker card, which literally gives GPS if you lose your wallet, etc. We're gonna get right into the video, just like all my videos in the description box below. After the video is done, I'm gonna have links for the Ekster wallet and GPS tracker card. You guys can look over their different models of their wallets. Really cool for minimalism. I will talk in regards to that. I love my wallet. I didn't pay for this. I would never pay this much money for a wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton wallet. Love it. The reason I love it is I have all my shopper cards here, grocery store cards, cash, insurance cards, probably some, well, let me just show you. Coupons, all sorts of stuff. There's Costco, frequent flyer miles, like free acai bowl. Anyway, I'm not raging against the wallet. This is not the purpose of this video, but I want to tell you what I personally would use the Ekster wallet for. So let's go ahead and get it out, show you what it can do, and I'll tell you the reasons this is super cool in situations where this is just way too big. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Nice little logo and packaging here. So let's check it out. Clean look. To be honest with you, I wanted to get my hands on the carbon fiber. I was in between the matte black aluminum, which this is, or the carbon fiber. They also make a really sick like matte blue and other colors as well, not to mention their leather ones as well. If you're a watcher of my videos here, small subtle things like this is their mission statement underneath. Very simple packaging, but yet very efficient. I like the small little things. So first and foremost, nice little subtle logo on there. And I know the camera's doing an okay job picking this up, but with the naked eye, this is a really clean look to it here. So this would be like your money clip, money strap here. Flipping around the other side, a E logo right on the center of the band. And this pulls out so you can put some cash in there, etc. And then having your band wrap around the edge of it with a very subtle logo right here on the edge of it. Now something I am noticing right away is that I use lotion on my hands because I'm in Colorado and my hands get super dry from construction. So it does look like you get a little bit of smudging if you have that kind of material on your hands, but you could just wipe that off. Or let's say your fingers are a little damp with sweat. A little bit, not too bad. Here's the top of it here, and then the bottom. This is where it gets nice and juicy here. Now removing the plate here shows us our expandable RFID plate, expandable up to 6 cards in this right here. So you have a couple different options. You can use just this, which is ultra thin, or you can attach this as well for cash and to slip some loyalty cards underneath this. This is where it gets real juicy here. You push this inwards, meaning that direction, and that happens right there. So in here, this becomes empty. These are just little cool little cards here that they put in there. Enter giveaway, value your feedback, use your manual with a QR code reader, give and earn, our story, become an affiliate. That's pretty cool. All right, so I got 6 cards in here. I got my grocery store rewards card that I always use, my debit cards, gift card or something like that, and my driver's license right there. 6 cards total, squeezing into that small gap. I literally could just take this, which is super thin compared to my fingernails, as you can see. Let me show you the size difference from my Z Flip. Let's go ahead and fold that in half. This, the Ekster, even though a little bit larger, is much thinner. And then when you're ready to go ahead and push this in here and grab out whatever card you want. Very simple if you want to grab them all out, sort through them, and then when you're ready to go, lock it back into place and be on your way. So if you can't live without your loyalty cards, I got my movie theater card, I got my Costco card, I got my insurance documents and etc. right in here. Obviously I won't show that on camera. And then, of course, I've already showed you that, but I got all my 6 in there as well, pushing in super easy. What I really like about this is the super thin design, where if I'm going to an event, let's say a wedding, and I'm wearing some slim pants, I don't want this huge Louis Vuitton wallet hanging out my butt pocket. This can slip inside my coat pocket. This can slip down into my front pockets of my pants and literally will look like a small cell phone, thinner than a cell phone. Well, it depends on how much you shove in there with the expansion port. A little bit thicker than my cell phone, but this will be the same size of a cell phone with a case on it. But just stick that in your breast pocket if you're at a wedding. Bust that out, People are like, what? I am really digging how it's actually holding more than I anticipated. One thing that worried me is how much it is able to hold, but with 6 cards up top, some cash underneath here, insurance cards, I'm pretty impressed with it. This also, if you're wondering, is expandable as well. If you want to put more cards in there, it gives a little bit, but still has some good resiliency, especially with the little groove that you can remove as well. But the little groove right through here. Again, if you don't need that and you want to go super extra thin, that is tiny. Now it's time for the GPS tracker card here. This GPS tracker card is super thin. Yeah, sure, it's about the size of a card, maybe even larger, but has some sweet features to it. We have a logo, not to mention a really cool design. Solar panel, again, a solar panel. And check this out. Look at how thin that is, being able to put that in your wallet. You can connect that to your app and you can find it worldwide. Also, you can ask Google or Amazon Alexa. Now, obviously, you can use the GPS tracker with the Minimalist wallet, or you can use it with their leather wallets as well. And remember, it depends what products you're buying with my link right in the description box below, but you'll get up to 40% off depending on which product you purchase. And if you can't live without your Louis Vuitton wallet, slip it in there like a loyalty card, and now you got a tracker unit, your wife's purse, your kid's backpack, etc. So let's connect this GPS tracker card and see what it can do. All right, tracker card is up and running. The directions are actually in the packaging of the tracker card. You need to download the Chiplo app, I believe you pronounce it, and you can connect all your cards, tracker cards, keys, etc. Obviously, due to privacy, I'm not going to show exactly a zoomed out version, but as you can see here, the GPS map on the app, powered by Google, we can see has a little E logo for Ekster, and my tracker card is right there. Obviously, right next to me right here. Super easy to pair up over the app. Through the app, you can add more tracker cards, etc. But let's go ahead and show you inside the app. You have outer range alerts, directions, share, change ringtone, take selfie. I won't go into the app too much, but let me show you here. So we go ahead and ring to find, and the tracker card rings right there. That's pretty cool. Hit this to stop ringing, and then check this out. Let's say you're like, where's my cell phone? What's going on with my cell phone? You double tap the button on the tracker card, 1, 2, and my phone starts ringing. Pretty loud too. So I can find my cell phone, I can find my wallet, your wife's purse, whatever it might be. So again, you can change those ringtones right here. Deck the halls, jingle bells, Merry Christmas, summer's calling, pixel dance, dots and dashes. I'll let you guys mess around with that. Well, overall, guys, it passes my tests. I'm actually very impressed with the quality build, not to mention the pairability and the functionality. It works as it's supposed to. Am I giving up on my Louis Vuitton wallet full time? Not quite yet, but I love this option and this is gonna grow on me for sure. Again, you're taking a guy that loves loyalty cards and a thick wallet, something I've had for the last 10 plus years. It's gonna take me a little bit of time to get used to this. Because it has the means to store a lot more than I initially thought, it probably will grow on me a lot quicker than anticipated. Again, if you want to get this exact one in the matte black color, check out the other colors as well, not to mention the carbon fiber, which is probably my favorite, but the matte black is probably tied or a close second. Also, they have leather ones as well. Use my link in the description box below, and whatever you purchase, up to 40% off. Depending on what you purchase, you'll get a bigger discount for certain items. It's a very reasonably priced wallet, and the tracker card is really well priced. If you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. It helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you like more videos like this. Tech, lifestyle, not to mention this full 10-acre ranch remodel. I'm doing a full gym, shop, full 9 yards. We're gonna have some livestock on the ranch. Thank you guys for your time and thank you for watching. Once again, your links are below. Check it out. Check out the products. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.